Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to be talking about algorithm updates and why Google rewards stability. Every time Google rolls out an update, panic spreads, traffic drops, ranking shift, people start scrambling. But here's what experienced SEO understands: Google doesn't reward volatility, it rewards stability. And if you build properly, updates stop being threats and start becoming opportunities. Algorithm updates are not random, they are correction mechanisms. Google is constantly refining its ability to detect content that exists only to rank, artificial authority signals, sites built for search engines instead of users, aggressive scaling without quality control. Updates don't punish good sites, they filter out instability. Reactive SEO is emotional SEO. Traffic drops, you rewrite everything. Competitor ranks, you copy structure. Twitter says backlinks matter again, you buy links. That behavior creates instability, and instability compounds risk. When you keep pivoting your foundation, Google can't trust your site's signals. Hacks work temporarily. That's the problem. They produce artificial spikes, but spikes attract scrutiny. Google systems are pattern detection machines. If your growth looks unnatural, you get flagged by algorithmic damping. Shortcuts create volatility. Volatility invites correction. Think of it this way. Let's say you're a government worker and you don't earn far more than minimum wage. Let's say you earn an average salary, and one day you buy a Bentley. What do you think would happen if the tax man finds this out? If the IRS finds this out? They are going to take a closer look at you. They are going to ask themselves, why would a government worker earning so and so range of salary have a Ferrari? And then they are going to look closer, and eventually they might find out that you were into some shady stuff. The same thing goes for Google. If it looks weird, they will look closer and they'll find out why it is weird. So the key thing about SEO is not to do anything that looks suspicious while giving your site the best chance to rank. So it's the perfect manifestation of fake it till you make it. You need to make your site look good by doing things that make it look good. When Google evaluates a site, it isn't just checking content, it's evaluating behavioral patterns over time. Stable sites publish consistently, build topic depth, earn links naturally, and improve UX gradually. Volatile sites jump between topics, scale aggressively, and show unnatural authority signals. Google rewards predictability again. Update resistant sites are not lucky, they are engineered. You build defensibility by staying inside a clear niche, going deep instead of wide, structuring internal signals logically, maintaining clean technical SEO, scaling deliberately, not emotionally. When your signals align, updates validate you. SEO is a mindset shift. Beginners chase rankings, strategists build systems. If your site deserves to rank structurally, algorithm updates become tailwinds, not threats. And that's where the real leverage begins. So at the end of the day, we are not trying to build a site that needs to be renovated every time Google drops an update. We want to build a site that is boosted by Google updates. Every time Google makes an update to further promote sites with great content, your site should be counted among the sites that benefit from this. So at the end of the day, you need to make sure that you are doing SEO the right way and not in any way that can get you penalized. If you found this video to be insightful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I remain Ismail from Pelemon. Goodbye.